What the fuck though? Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go. Wow, get the fuck though. I don't bluff, bro. Aiming at your head like a buffalo. You a roughneck, I'm a cutthroat. You a tough guy. That's enough jokes.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Nate. I'm Tay. And together we're the Naked Twins. So today we are doing a mukbang with our favorite place and our favorite food. So we're gonna show you guys how we eat our McDonald's. How it should be eaten. Okay, tell it off. Okay, so you're taking your coke. Wait, who's the most? No, okay. There can't be more. Nobody's more. My fries are more. Chips? No. One tomato for you. And one for me. You guys is warm. Oh, no, that somebody's hungry. And that could be you. So guys, we're gonna show you. Wait, take that away. We first have to show them out. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna put this here. So first, you open your burger. Okay, well, I don't know if she does this. Wait. Oh my okay, God. Then you open this. Why would you open it? I always open this. And then open this so you can grab your burger now. Don't like it lovely. Okay, they didn't put it on properly. Yeah, it's a bit uneat, but we're gonna make it properly now. So, first you take off this. But you first put this together. No, you take this off one time. Take this off because there's like a lot of sections in. So you have to take this off. This is the dry part. And keep that there. It's dry. You don't want that again. You first take this on properly because those people don't do a proper job, so we have to do it. Firstly, it should be like this. Yes. Then you take your fries. Then you stack it on top of it. But please guys, we don't use the long fries to put on there. We use the fries that isn't so well to eat, so put that on. We just divide it. Wait, this is in there. Put this here until you are so hot. But put the chips on. All the chips on it. Guys, I've been craving my beef whole day. And you know what? We didn't eat it. Yesterday, the day before, and the day before that. Yeah. And it was unhealthy, but yeah, we eat McDonald's every day. And guys, we know we said we don't eat meat. We don't eat meat artificial. Anyway, so we stack the chips on. And after you feel like the chips has been stacked in your favorite friend. Your favorite friend. Where's mine? This is yours. Wait. Then, try it open. All out. So as you can see, it looks very not affordable. It looks cheap. But it's actually not. It's lovely. Anyway, it's better this way. It makes you more. Guys, I love tomatoes. I eat tomatoes with everything. So look at that. Then, guys, you can't throw the whole tomatoes on because after the second base, this has to come on again. And your chips, don't forget about chips. Yeah, don't forget about chips. So then, you take this part, and you put it on. After that, it's not done. No, it's incomplete. You take this off. Take this part off. And then you take the chips. You're so. Oh, guys, you won't believe me, no? But after this, I'm still not full. Because you're always hungry, that's why. No. Because it's my teeth. Yeah. So then, you feel it's enough chips. You get your favorite friend again. Get your favorite friend. And you do some. Like sometimes I don't feel like one tomato sauce is enough. It's never enough. It's not enough. Like we eat a lot of tomatoes, as you can see. We throw. See, I don't have enough one. To some of you. Guys, this probably don't look well, but believe me, it
tastes
tastes very well.
Then, until it's up. Then, come on, waiting on you. Return, do not forget. Guys, now you have
A Big Mac meal.
a full Big Mac meal.
That is a Big Mac meal.
My guys,
You still have to live though.
Yes, you must. Because after you eat this, you're still going to be hungry. And to eat something with your coke, you know, when you swallow,
Yeah.
you must. But first one,
Now you
just
just,
straws. Oh, yeah, straws.
so now you open your drink, you don't eat your burger yet.
You know what? Because your throat is still dry, man.
Yeah, you
So now you first have to wet your throat in order to eat this.
Yeah.
You see? So?
Okay, so now you know. You not as well. As drum.
It's not as dry. So?
Turn.
Now, turning.
You're the real deal.
Real deal. Wait, lower there. Then, you take him.
No, I can't. Because I literally have to take off my watch for this.
This is a feast.
This is a messy situation. Could have been doing. This is a Big Mac, guys. This, you know, no? Other advertising on TV, then it looks super big, then in person it's like so small. But this is how it
But if you make it like this,
then it looks like it's on the TV.
cheers.
Now you eat. Oh. This
Guys?
is what you call a Big Mac meal.
I can literally not eat without taking a sip of my drink. Because I am somebody that must see other people is staring at us. They never saw twins before.
I think I should greet him.
Come say hello.
No. See that? Yeah, this is super nice.
Ligt wel weer. Ligt wel weer. If you like mine while you Just the video. No, make it somewhere else. It's close to your lips. I can't believe you really did it.
You did it.
No.
Do I have eight?
Smaak me.
Smaak. Guys, I swear, there's no better place in this world than Maggie. Don't forget to take a fries now and then.
So the burger doesn't get boring.
Let's keep things exciting.
I'm choking. Guys, don't take on eat without missing. If you haven't noticed this far. She must miss.
If you miss, you know it was real good.
No, you have time to miss. I want to get everything in my mouth.
Okay then.
I never saw twins before, guys.
Playing the steering country.
Don't forget. She never eat the burger. So starving. Don't know why she's eating it so now. She want no. Eat it how you normally do. I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna eat the burger. I'm gonna move it to the side. You must bite my cheek. You gonna? It's a long time.
It almost tastes like this, but this is just better.
My cheese tastes nice.
What about you, girl? I'm missing again.
Look at her burger and look how nice man. Look at here. Look here.
This is a missing situation, guys.
Only she makes it just an amazing situation.
Actually, that's why, no? You can't get mad. Because we speak while we eat.
You always speak it.
And we like standing while eating, so we're sitting now. But thus you need a moment of silence. Like, you must say admire it for a minute. Like, yo, guys.
I can't even speak. I'm speechless. I swear if I would have this burger alone, I wouldn't be full. But if I eat it with this, and I drink it with this, I swear I'm gonna lazy.
Guys, let me tell you a secret. All my life, no, I'm speaking. All my life. Basically all my life. I've been eating like this. But every time I buy this for myself, I am surprised by the way it tastes. Like it's that good.
I am very bra.
It's that good.
I am very.
Like,
For those people who don't like these, you have never loved. Ever. This, oh, and the sauce. That's the best. Hoe ga je mis?
that's a favorite part. This. Favorite part. The last, what's our
Licking fingers is a favorite part.
wow. And then don't forget the ink here, still something in here, so you should make sure that you like, don't waste your money, guys.
Don't waste this. You must get all of this.
To make sure you spend enough, like the money you gave out was worth it. You always have to ask yourself, is it worth it?
Is it worth it though?
Yeah, it is.
I don't really like lettuce. It tastes like
I
cabbage
love
or
it.
something.
I love it. I eat it all day, every day.
This
part.
You see guys, those chips is so good. You don't even need sauce for it.
And we normally eat that chips with sauce. But like these, go on.
Excuse me. Yeah, the chips is so nice. I can't eat it all. I eat it all.
Drinking the blood. That's why she young.
You see what I did there?
That's why it is so big.
I have a small end. You have a big end. Why are you wasting?
No, if it looks like this, don't eat it.
Yeah, you must always look what kind of chips you're eating. But there's those things. Where's the camera here? Oh, there.
Can't
Then can you guys see?
Can't see it.
Then you just break it off. Then you can continue eating.
Guys, nothing makes me more happy than this place.
McDonald's all the way.
McDonald's every day.
McDonald's all the way.
McDonald's every day.
Get your Mac cheeseburger right now.
You're showing a drink and it's like just a Mac cheeseburger. I'm like, Edward. Oh, net woord is het.
Guys, This is what I was talking about. You have it? This is my...
You know, sometimes I don't want to believe what's happening like this. Wishing that more comes out. Now I'm sad.
But let's not forget. It was not together now.
Guys,
Wait. No, it's covered in this.
empty box.
You don't know how to advertise. I just thumbnail.
Yeah. Guys, I think this should be the end. This should be the end of the video.
Yeah, because you're shame. I can imagine how hungry you guys are now.
You know? Sorry guys, but that was
You
worth it.
don't know what you've been missing.
Guys,
Those people, they're thinking we're mad. So the way they're looking at us. Ooh. I wish y'all could see now, but it would be weird of me turning the camera to them. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe.
please. Thank you for watching us. And
We'll
one
see you
thing,
next time. We love ya.
bye.